All right, today I'm packing up a Flatline Fiber PIMP pouch. What does PIMP stand for? Practical Individual Medical Pouch, right? It is the best IFAK carrier on the market. They're a great USA-made company. I love supporting them. I love being a dealer, right? So thank you, Tony in Georgia, for this order. I want to show you a couple unique things from that, right? So it's the first time we've packed up a Flatline Fiber to show you in a video. What I want to show you with that is you all are typical, normal, providing the equipment and gear for the mission, right? Thank you. You know what they normally get in the kit here with Flatline Fiber. I'm going to throw a nice sticker in, throw that in the envelope. But I wanted to show you a little bit of something special that that I'm able as a dealer to get from Flatline Fiber. They make a nice little range card, right? So cool for them. Takes it to the YouTube videos. Throw it in here again. Just something for the customers, right? They're spending their hard-earned money. Something else they can get. And then the last thing we throw in, that Protection Design Concepts pin, seal it up. We'll throw a packing slip in here, we'll weigh it up, get a shipping label on it, and we'll put our branding on the box. That's how you do it. I love the support. I love running a small business, so please visit us. Again, Protection Design Concepts. Thank you, Tony, for your order.